In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a favicon to Lovable AI website. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to, of course, open up your website inside Lovable, and then you want to click on the Publish tab up top right. And the first thing you have to do is actually publish your website. Now, for the first time you do this, as you can see here, if I open up my website, it's going to be, the favicon is going to be this basic Lovable AI logo over here. However, you could go here, click on Website Info just below the Custom Domain button, and then here is where you can basically set the icon, which is the favicon. So if I click on over here on the specific icon, I can change the icon and I can search for whatever on my computer. I'm going to use this background for my YouTube channel and I'm going to press open. And when I do this here, it's going to start loading, and there we go. It says image uploaded and the new image is now in here. If I now click on save over here, it's going to basically start saving everything. And then within just a few seconds, there we go, you're going to be able to update it by clicking updating over here. And it's going to start updating again, and whenever that's done, you'll be able to see your icon has actually been changed or here on the published version as well. So it may take like a few seconds up to a few minutes. There we go. For me, it did that already, and now I have my custom favicon up here. So that's how you change this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.